एसएससी हॉटस्पॉट। होप आप लोग सब प्रिपेयर कर रहे होंगे एसएससी सीजीएल के लिए, जैसे कि लॉकडाउन है, सो ऑब्वियसली थोड़ा टाइम और मिला है प्रिपरेशन के लिए। एंड सॉरी, मैं बैंक वगैरह में थोड़ा ज्यादा बिजी था, देयर इज अ लॉट्स ऑफ लोड, सो जिसके कारण मैं मतलब अपने आप को टाइम नहीं निकाल पाया था वीडियोस डालने के लिए। सो अगेन लॉकडाउन थोड़ा है तो थोड़ा टाइम मिल पा रहा है। सो ऑलराइट, so let's get to the topic. So the topic is mixture and allegations, and as the first question we can see, there are three vessels which contain equal mixtures of milk and water, that is in the ratio of 6:1, 5:2 and 3:1 respectively. If all the solutions are mixed together, the ratio of the milk to water in the final mixture will be. Alright, so I'll be explaining two techniques thoroughly, and first will be the normal one, जो कि नॉर्मल सब लोग प्रेफर करते हैं, एंड सेकंड विल बी द लॉजिकल वन, जो मैं आपको बताऊंगा। तो आई होप यू विल सेव एटलीस्ट 40 to 50 seconds in that. Alright, so let's go through it. In the normal, what we do is normally is we take the milk ratios and water ratios, alright, and we divide it, right? So the first milk ratio will be 6:7 plus 5:7 plus 3:4, right? And you know how this 7 and 4 came, right? So that will be the total volume of the mixture. And the water will be 1:7 plus 2:7 plus 1:4. And now what we do will be, I'm sorry for that. So now what we'll do is 11/7 plus 3/4 and taking LCM and all, right? And 1/4, this will come out to be 65/28 divided by 19/28. And this will deduct out to be 65:19. Alright, so this is what we do in normal technique, but able to do it in a bit easier way. Why? Because the denominator in both of the solutions was 7, right? So it was a bit easy to solve. But if you have a different denominator, say 9 or 11, so it will take some time. Alright, so let's go through logical approach. So what we need to do is write the equations, write the ratios. Alright, 3:1, yeah. So write the total volume here, alright, and take an LCM. How we take an LCM, we everybody know, right? So here the total volume will be 28, here also 28, here also 28. You can comment me in the sections if you feel that you are unable to understand the solution, right? So yeah, so the new ratios will be 24:4, 20:4 or 20:8 and 21:7, right? So these are the new ratios. All you need to do is just add it. So this is milk and this is water. So you'll find it as is to 19 and you got your answer. So I think you will spare at least 45 seconds in this, provided you have a bit more complex, because obviously the level has been increased in SSC and you won't find such easy examples as I have given. So anyways, I hope you saved your few minutes. So moving on to the next question. Question goes like, in a mix of milk and water, there is only 26% water. After replacing the mixture with 7 liters of pure milk, the percentage of the milk in the mixture becomes 76%, and we need to find the quantity of the mixture. Alright, yeah. So if the water is only 26%, that means milk will be 74%. Alright, and we are adding milk, which is pure milk, so that will be 100%. So we'll write milk here, that will be for the first, and milk here, that will be for the second. Alright, so by first I mean that is 74%, and by second I mean 100%, right? Because we are adding milk, that is 7 liters. So how we're going to solve this question is, we know that the final proportion is 76%, right? So we'll be writing 76% over here. So we'll find 2 here and 24 over here, and if we cut it, we'll find 1:12. Now is the most important part which you need to concentrate on. So here we know that 1 unit of here will be equal to 7 liters as per the statement, right? So the total value of the milk will be 12 plus 1, that is this, and this. 12 plus 1, that is 13, and 13 into 7. Why 7? Because 1 unit is equals to 7. So ultimately that is 13 units, which gives us 91 liters. So this is the shortcut of the question, right? And I hope this will be beneficial for your exams. Understand the logic and this will be great. Moving on to the next question. Yeah. So the next question goes like, the vessel contains 63 liters of milk If 9 liters are taken out and replaced firstly by 9 liters and then by 7 liters, respectively by the same quantity of water, what will be the final amount of water after the second process in the mixer? Alright, so let's go to the solution. As we know that we have a formula that final quantity will be initial quantity into 1 minus quantity taken out divided by initial quantity. Alright, so in this case we have 63 into 1 minus 9 by 63. That is the first step. Alright, in step will go like 63 into 1 minus 9 by 63 into 1 by 7 into 63. So this is like, from here we'll get 63 into 1 minus 1 by 7, which will be 63 into 6 by 7. And from here we'll get 63 into 6 by 7, and from this value we'll get 1 minus 1 by 9. And finally this will come out to be 63 into 6 by 7 into 8 by 9. So here we'll cut 63, 7 and 9 and we'll get 48 liters. Right? So here 48 liters is the final quantity of milk. Alright, so now we know that the total quantity still remains as 63 liters, right? Let me find some space here. So as we want to find the water last quantity, that will be 63 minus 48, that will come out to be 15 liters, and this will be the final answer. Alright, so I hope you understand this concept. If you have any questions about this, you can comment it on the box so that we can discuss it, and if you want I can make another video for the same. Moving on to the next question. So the next question goes like, from a container a thief stole 15 liters of spirit and replaced it with the water. This process is repeated 3 times, which makes the ratio of spirit and water to 343:169, and we need to find the initial amount of the spirit. Alright, so this is exactly the opposite of what we did in the last question. As in this question we have the final ratios and we need to find the initial ratios. Alright, so let me tell you how we proceed in this. So we know that spirit is to water right now is 343:169. So the first step which we need to do is we need to find the initial quantity, and that will be exactly the sum of the latest ratios. Alright, so that will be 343 plus 169. How it comes is, like, you know, the amount which is replaced with the water will be exactly equal to the amount which was there priorly of that of spirit. Alright, so the total will be 512. I hope you get this point right, and if you have any problem you can comment it on the YouTube section right now. Alright, so what we need to find the ratio is starting is to ending, correct? And there is a twist in between, and the twist goes like the ending spirit ratio and the starting spirit ratio, right? So ending is 343 and starting is 512. And the twist as I was talking about, and it is like we need to find how many times the process was repeated. Alright, so this repetition is important. As in this scenario the answer is 3, so we'll be cube rooting it, right? If in case it was 2, then we needed to square root it, and if it was the 4th root, we needed to find the 4th root of the equation, right? So in this scenario it comes out to be 8:7, right? Which makes that there is a difference of 1 unit, right? And this 1 unit will be equal to 15 liters, correct? Why? Because thief stole 15 liters of the spirit. Alright, now what we need to find is the initial quantity, right? As we know that the starting spirit had 8 units, so the final will be just 15 into 8, which comes out to be 120 liters, and this is your final answer. So this kind of questions can actually, you know, use your time and make things complex for you at the time of examination. So you need to clear up your mind. First thing is, you do not need to just cube root the final ratios, that is between the spirit and water. This won't be your Z solution. What you need to do is find your initial as well as final spirit ratios. Alright. So guys, this was the end of the video. I hope you like it, and I'll be preparing more short videos on such topics, and just keep practicing for the same, as more of the examinations will be due as soon as this lockdown is over. Hope you are doing your best and keeping your good spirits ahead. Thank you.